let me show you something really, really interesting. So in our stats here, I'll go to my content, go to the analytics. I want to show you guys something really, really amazing that happened. Views. So let me show you lifetime of the channel. So we're bumbling along for a couple of years here. You can see we kind of started in 2018 or 2019, and YouTube stays pretty kind of flat for long periods of time, which is frustrating, but they're basically just churning through your evergreen content to people. You know, you put one video up and it's just watched and watched and watched. Even if you're not producing new content, it still stays pretty evergreen, which is pretty cool. But then this happened. In April 2020, I put up a random video on what game should you play on Zoom with your team, right? If you want to keep your team engaged when they're working from home, what are some of the online games that you can play on Zoom to keep people engaged culture-wise? And it freaking exploded, went nuts. Now, it wasn't like viral first page of YouTube or anything like that, but you can see here that our traffic 4x'd basically overnight because of that video. And then what YouTube did was all of our traffic went up right across the channel. All of our video rankings went up. All of our video watches per week went up on all the old videos that have been bumbling around for the last couple of years. And they never went down again below that level. So what happened was we had one good video that basically raised the authority of our channel. And from there forward, the authority basically didn't go down. And so Google bumped up the rankings for all of our videos. So it makes sense to do videos to nurture your existing audience. It also makes sense to make videos that you want to help you attract new audience. But number three, you want to create, if you can, random videos that might rank or get views just for the sake of them ranking or getting views. Because if you can create videos just for the sake of them ranking or getting views, it will help all of your videos. And so you want to do all of those things.